Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss which is better, ClickUp, Notion, or Asana. Let's begin. Okay, so ClickUp, Notion, and Asana are popular project management and productivity tools, each with its own strengths and features that we are going to dive deep later, all right? Now, moving forward, basically, ClickUp is a robust project management and productivity tool with its own advantages, right? So number one, it offers a high level of customization, providing users with various views such as list, right here, board, calendar, and customization options to tailor the workspace to their specific needs and workflows. Now, it also provides comprehensive task management features, including assigning tasks, setting due dates, adding descriptions, checklists, dependencies, time tracking, and reporting tools. Now, this enables teams to manage tasks efficiently. As you can see here, it utilizes a structure with spaces, folders, lists, and tasks, allowing users to organize information and maintain a structured workflow. All right. It also integrates with many third-party apps and services, allowing users to connect ClickUp with other tools their team uses regularly, enhancing productivity and workflow continuity. Now, here, you can just simply click the free version if you want to check more of the pricing. I suggest you go here at ClickUp. All right. So when we click the pricing, here are the side-by-side comparisons for the different plans. It's free forever, which is best for personal use. You get these features, 100 MB storage, unlimited task. But if you wanted to take it to the next level, why not try unlimited? Best for small teams, $7, all right, per member per month. But if you are scaling up, why not try the business, which is best for mid-sized teams, $12 per month. Remember, and the enterprise, best for many large teams. And you can contact sales for a free demo. And I've tried contacting ClickUp and I have yet to hear from them, but I believe they will give me a demo. And of course, they will be more than glad to answer all my inquiries. If you want more, again, some information about ClickUp, I suggest you go at their official website. All right. Now, moving on to our next contender, which is Asana. It is a widely used project management tool known for its user-friendly interface and collaborative features. All right, so quick disclaimer, I've been using Asana for so many years because it has an intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it relatively simple for my team to adopt without extensive training. Its layout and navigation are designed for clarity and ease of use. It excels in task and project management, providing features for creating tasks, setting due dates, assigning tasks to team members, and tracking progress through various views like list, board, or timeline. Asana also offers robust collaboration features, allowing teams to communicate within tasks, projects, or teams. So it includes features like comments, attachments, and task discussions, facilitating seamless teamwork. It also integrates well with a wider range of third-party applications and tools, allowing users to connect Asana with other software commonly used in their workflows, enhancing productivity and workflow continuity. Asana provides templates and pre-built workflows for various type projects, which can be immensely helpful for teams getting started or looking for standardized structures for the project, right? And if you want more about Asana, I suggest you go at their website. Let's check about the pricing first. Now, it is categorized into two subgroups like individuals and small teams, and businesses and enterprises. Now, for personal, it's going to be free, of course, but it's limited. All right. But if you're looking for trying out and testing waters, you can try the free personal account. And if you want to scale up, you try the starter, which is $10.99 per user per month, billed annually. And the advanced, which is $24. Now, when we check the businesses and enterprises, like any other product, they have a live demo. You can contact the sales if you want more information about that. And now let's move on to our next contender, which is Notion. And we have a lot of comparison videos about Notion, so you might want to check our channel. Basically, Notion is the connected workspace where better, faster work happens. And again, for more information, I suggest you go here at notion.com. Now, here's a side-by-side comparison for the three flat platforms. Now, for ClickUp, the extensive range of features and customization options might lead to a steeper learning curve. That means especially for new users who might find the interface overwhelming at first, and users with extensive data or large databases might experience performance issues such as slower load times or occasional lags, impacting overall usability. While ClickUp offers a free plan, some advanced features and functionalities are available with paid plans. Now, for a larger teams or those requiring more features, the pricing might become a consideration. And again, setting up ClickUp to match specific workflows and preferences may require considerable initial configuration, which could be time-consuming for some users, all right? Now, while the basic functionality is easy to grasp, mastering more advanced features and integrations might require additional learning for some users here in Asana. Compared to some other project management tools, Asana might have limitations in terms of customizations and adapting to highly specialized workflows or needs. Now, the mobile app, while functional, might have limitations compared to the desktop version, potentially impacting user experience for those heavily reliant on mobile usage. Now, some advanced features and functionalities, such as timeline view, reporting, or certain automation options, are available in higher tier paid plans, and this might limit access to certain functionalities for users on lower tier plans. Now, for Notion, for users with large databases or extensive content, Notion might experience performance issues such as slower load times or occasional lags. While the basic version of Notion is free, some advanced features like collaboration tools, increased storage, and access to premium templates are available with all paid plans, which might be a consideration for some users. And despite its flexibility, Notion's learning curve can be steep for some users, especially when setting up databases or intricate layouts. It might take some time to get used to its full potential. And again, it pays to check the website. Again, you can just simply go with Asana, and it is one of the best management and productivity platforms there is. But it doesn't mean it's the best. It's just one of the best. Because I've been using Asana for quite some time. I'm really comfortable using the dashboard. It's really easy to follow. And yeah, as we have checked the pricing, so that's for you to decide. You can also I can also say the same for the ClickUp. Now, I'm very new to ClickUp. I've tried this for like 2 months ago, and I believe it's okay. It basically it plays on par with Asana, but again, you can leverage their features. So I suggest for you to test the waters, why not create a free account here? And you also always contact sales. And of course, I could say the same for Notion. So if you're interested to check more of our videos about Notion, check our channel, please. And that concludes our today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.